You good? Good. What is up, everybody? Jaco here today, and I'm gonna crack this guys on the table. I am a professional. I've been doing this since 1982.
I have severe back pain.
Yes. So I'm gonna give my man chronic back pain. I'm gonna give my man the full
Don't give me any more back pain.
Everything. My name is Gregory Johnson, and I approve this message.
All right, let's see what you got. Head in the hole.
Ooh.
Sorry, excuse me.
So do you prefer push like this, or do you prefer push like this?
I prefer it just kind of along the spine,
All
straight
right.
up.
Let me get up here. Ready? Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, give me a second. I'm gonna come to the top.
Oh man.
I think I lost something back here.
No, you had it, buddy.
Ready? Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, relax. Alrighty, go on your side.
Oh.
Gotta get closer to this one. Damn, sweaty.
Oh,
Holy shit.
That's that BMI, bro. That's that 9%, bro.
Bro, I'm using my dirty hands to do this. I got no hand sanitizer. I haven't washed my hands in 3 weeks.
I'm in your pit sweat, bro.
It's okay, bro. Nobody else comes here.
Is
so
this
it's
good?
okay. Yeah. So, come this way more. Put your upper body. This way. Okay. Go on your side. Leg like this. Okay. It's your arm. Tight. Squeeze.
I'm in there.
Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Squeeze that around your arm.
No, I'm good. I'm good. Just go easy on me here.
Breathe.
Woo!
Other side.
There it is.
Flip over.
Oh!
Come on, flip over.
Alright, buddy. Let's see what we got here. Oh, this one's gonna be nasty. I can already feel it.
So fucking sweaty. Tight. Tight. Squeeze. Breathe. Come around here. Come right here. Ready? Breathe. Okay.
Oh.
Good. All right, lean back. Let me do your neck.
Okay. Wow, I'm dripping right now. Okay.
Relax. Give me your
A
head.
little bit off the
Your
table
head
here.
is very heavy, my brother.
Thank you, man. I got a lot of brain power. Hold it a little lower, like let it hang a little bit lower.
Relax.
You know what I'm saying?
There you go.
Just relax, bro. Oh. Woo!
Let me pull it
Give
out.
me a little traction, yeah.
Ready?
No, the last one was a good crack, man.
Let me try the first one again or no?
No, that's good.
Okay, ready?
Woo! There it is. Did you learn that in the circus, buddy?
No, I learned it from Gregory Johnson's YouTube video. Alrighty, come on up. That's just a quick demonstration of my boy Gregory Johnson that I learned this from. Now, I am not a licensed chiropractor. I charged him a lot of money. And
200 a session, baby, and it's worth every penny.
If you don't have insurance, it's 500 a session, right?
Can you do my feet too, buddy? Can you just yank my leg?
Yeah, come out.
I got some SI pains here.
Okay.
Oh.
Lay back.
All right.
Relax. Let me have your foot. Relax. Let me have your leg. Oh, you should feel that one all the way up.
I felt that all the way
Yeah. Let me see your other leg, boy. You felt that one all the way up in your SI joints to your knee.
I was the one giving me problems here.
Oh.
Did you feel it hot?
I don't know, man. I'm a professional.
I don't know. I don't know.
Let me see your piggies. Let me see your piggies.
Check them out, bro.
Gotta make sure these are all flipping. This one went to the chiropractor. This one went to Gregory Johnson's office.
Oh!
Okay.
This is great.
Yeah.
I love it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That cracking noise
Every one of them.
gives me a stiffen. Oh, yeah.
Okay.
These big ones have problems, bro.
Now I sprained it. Oh, my God.
Dr. Gregory Johnson. Instead of cursing.
He gonna muscle these cracks out. Oh, okay. All right.
Oh, shit.
Okay, I didn't know you're like that. Nice like that. Okay.
Which ankles?
Yeah, get the ankles, please. Oh, okay.
This is just a stretch.
I got you. Oh, that's nice. Take my money, Jay-Z.
You mean Jake?
Jake.
Oh.
Pull that leg, Jake. Oh, that one went. That was a crack and a half. Oh. Perfect. Might as well hit the shoulders while we're at it.
I'll do everything, bro.
Let's go.
Let me see this.
Okay.
Gregory Johnson.
This little piggy went to Gregory Johnson.
This little piggy was bankrupt from going to Gregory Johnson.
Oh. Man, those thumbs are moving.
You got 8 metatarsals in your wrist that could crack. So if you hear a crack more than once, those are your metatarsals.
What about my side
Let
joints,
me do
bro?
your shoulder, bro. Stay there.
Alright, let's get it.
Okay. You want to do the standing one first?
Yeah, let's do the standing one here.
Hand on your hip. This one first. Bring it out more. Push back. Oh, this one, the little piggy's not going home today. Come on.
Oh.
Okay, let's try the other one. Go ahead.
Oh.
Ooh.
The crack addict's gonna love that one.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Advanced what's the name again of our company?
Houston Chiropractic.
Houston Chiropractic. I'm Gregory Johnson. This is Philip. Take care, guys.
Thank you.